Making money with Airbnb is a big deal for a lot of people. It can be very lucrative, but you want to watch out for any potential problems. Here are some issues you might run into with an Airbnb and problems you'll want to avoid. 1. Not maintaining a clean and inviting space. Guests expect a certain level of cleanliness and comfort when staying in an Airbnb. Not keeping the space clean and inviting can lead to negative reviews and lower ratings. 2. Not setting clear expectations. Not setting clear expectations for guests can lead to misunderstandings and disputes. Be sure to clearly communicate what is expected of guests, such as house rules, check-in and check-out times, and other important details. 3. Not responding to inquiries quickly. Potential guests may be turned off if they don't receive a prompt response to their inquiries. Responding quickly to inquiries lets guests know that you are attentive and willing to help. 4. Not having a professional profile. A professional profile helps establish trust and credibility with potential guests. Make sure to include a photo, description of the space, and other important information. 5. Not utilizing the right marketing channels. Utilizing the right marketing channels can help you reach more potential guests. Consider using social media, search engine optimization, and other marketing tactics to get the word out about your Airbnb. To learn more about investing and how to build wealth through real estate, stock market investing, or entrepreneurship, please visit the Black Business School. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to the channel for more helpful information. Have a great day.